guys, today I have received my Boxycharm Premium for the month of November. For those who are not familiar, there's 3 different levels. There is a base box where you receive 5 full-size products. You choose one of the products. The other 4 are based on your profile. They are skincare and beauty products. It's $27.99 plus tax. Shipping is free. There's also a premium, which I received today, which is $39.99 plus tax. Shipping is free. With that, you receive 6 full-size products. You choose 2, and the other 4 are based on your profile. The base is valued up to $175, and the premium is valued up to $215. There is also a Luxe box, which is quarterly, which is 8 full-size products plus, and that includes lifestyle, and that will replace your smaller Boxycharm box. It retails $59.99 quarterly. All right, so the first item that I'm pulling out of the box is actually the card. They have a theme every month. This is Boxy Beauty Bash. And it says shop our annual holiday blowout sale and score up to 80% off retail. And I'm telling you, they have the best sales. That's one reason to hang on to Boxycharm, because you will get amazing deals on some great products. The back of this card has the description of the products with the prices and my variation, which is 203. The first item that I'm pulling out of the box is called Surya Beauty. It's a rejuvenating hair serum. It will protect your hair, reduce frizz, and the Surya Rejuvenating Hair Serum is infused with jojoba oil, vitamin E, and omega-3 and omega-9, which will nourish and replenish hair to prevent split ends and breakage. And retails for $45. All right, so the next item is, the brand is by Terry. It's a Hyaluronic Hydra Primer. It's infused with skincare benefits of hyaluronic acid. The Hyaluronic Hydra Primer has a weightless mousse texture that creates the perfect makeup base. Hyaluronic acid helps boost, maintain optimum moisture level so the skin looks firmer and plumper. It's the best face primer to instantly blur blemishes, minimize pores, even out skin tone, fill in the lines, and control shine. It also says its colorless Hydra Filler is a micro resurfacing multi-zone base, and it's an invisible matte finish. This retails for $55. All right, the next item is Riddle Oil. It's the original roll-on oil made with simple ingredients of amber and musk. The original roll-on oil smells clean and subtle. This oil naturally creates a signature scent that is unique to you. The original scent is excellent for people who don't generally like fragrance or suffer from fragrance-related headaches. Rest assured, when you roll on your original fragrance, it is hypoallergenic, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. It retails for $50. And I will say that I first put it on and it was a stronger smell, and then it faded. It was just like at the top of the bottle, and there's a very, very light scent when you put it on, and you feel a little bit of oil on the skin. And as I smell it on my hand right now where I have it on, it's very, very light, and I actually don't mind it. It's actually better than I originally thought. When I first smelled it, I thought, this smells kind of, I don't know, lightly like a man, but it's actually okay. It's kind of, I really actually kind of like it. Okay, the next is an eyeshadow palette, Persona Cosmetics Identity 2 eyeshadow palette. Ready for a bolder persona. The Identity 2 palette provides the same buttery buildable formula as the original Identity palette, with more stunning shimmers and epic color payoff. Whatever persona you want to create, the Identity 2 is versatile enough for everyday looks, date night drama, and everything in between. It has a retail of $42. And the palette has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different shades. And as you can see here, there's a good variety. There's a black, some, yellow shimmer, green shimmer, lighter shimmer colors, and a couple mattes in there. So yeah, that's really pretty. Okay, so the next is Seraphine Botanicals Rhubarb and Rose Creamy Lip and Cheek Palette. It's a creamy lip and cheek palette with 5 buttery shades that melt seamlessly onto skin to give you natural conditioning radiance and color. The base is a hydrating, skin-quenching blend of fatty acids from coconut oil derivatives, pure shea butter, and vitamin E to impart a nourishing tint onto lips and cheeks. It does retail for $45, and I'm very happy to receive it. This is a product that I have been using similar to this that I'm running low on, so good deal. Okay, so the last one is by the Better Skin Company. It's called Eye Bright Now. Wake up and fight dark circles and puffiness with this Eye Bright Now serum. A single drop provides immediate hydration and helps with the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. Eye Bright Now assists in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This has a retail of $38. Okay, so tallying up the individual price, all 6 of these items would cost per retail $275. So what do you think? Good box, lousy box, so-so? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video.